So today we have come here to Demeanor lab. Okay, in this lab today I am going to show you how to use this microwave oven. Okay, this microwave oven is actually not used for the baking purpose. This is only used for heating purpose. But still, with some ingredients that we have, like what is this? Egg. This is some flour. This is wheat flour. Okay, and I have taken sugar. So with these three ingredients, today we are going to make 1 minute mug cake. 1 minute mug cake. I will show you how to do this. Okay. So first we have to take the egg. Now I will break this. Now we have to beat it very well. We have to beat the egg very well. How much ever time you beat, the cupcake will come as fluffier one. Okay. So you have to beat the egg very well. With this, I am going to add sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have added 2 tablespoons of sugar. This also we have to beat very well, so that you should mix with the egg. You should mix with the egg. Beat very well. Can anyone beat? Beat very well. Should not spit. You should beat faster. If you beat faster, then only the fluffy consistency will come for mug cake. Here. So I have mixed it. Next I am going to add flour. What I am going to add? Wheat flour. Wheat flour I am going to add just 2 tablespoons. I am going to add 2 tablespoons. This is it. Again what we have to do? We have to mix it very well. Now this I am going to keep in this here. Inside it you can see the light. Is it? So this is the indication that your microwave oven is ready to use. Okay. Now I am going to keep this mug inside. In the center you have to keep the mug. Okay. Then you have to close it. Then here we have timing. This timing we can set in the microwave oven. This shows 30 seconds. Okay. You can, if you press one time it shows 30 seconds. If you press one more time it shows 60 seconds. Clear? So by pressing it multiple times you can see that time is increasing. Okay. So now I have kept it for 60 seconds. Let's see what happens after 60 seconds. Okay. Now the time is over. Now it is giving the buzzing sound. Okay. Which means the time is over. Now you can feel that smell, right? So shall we open and see? Okay. Now can you see how it has fluffed and come? Is it? Okay. Like this you can, if you have microwave oven at home, you can try